Right, ebusia ma akwa bebiem ene so no yenye dru ha say die na chese wo say yehwe kwan befa so a you be make money online in Ghana. So eye no na wo search on Google, on YouTube, and I say any search engine. Ene na wo ha na no ye ni o. Aha say ya na beboa o. Esan say aha say na de bia no yehwe kwan befa so betumi ya make money online in Ghana. E wo sa channel we say so no. Eye affiliate marketing, eye drop shipping, eye drop servicing, eye print on demand, mini importation, drop servicing, anything concerning making money online via Ghana no. Ho dwuma e wa ha say. Nti here na say oba na de bia no. One yen ebetu anama say wonyan and subscribe to channel na. Message over hit on the subscription button on our to subscribe. Ya na me ore piece over turn on notification bell na to me abon kai de bia na me de video e betu say. Na that particular video na wo hwe no message say obe like edit ama me na video need to me trending on YouTube. After what they say, we have video we say yakosi ewieye. E wusi ha say e road to wealth. Yen frase na yen check kwa so a we be making money online. I am receiving a lot of questions. A different crowd will say, how can you make money without money? How can you make money online without selling anything? Well, and then a home come and I'm a day bro and send a bear with me and make money online without a say oh Tom BBR, without a website, without money. Inti say oh I had the let us also a video no. It was a video no basic paper and it me a boy so nya sign him dear no. So when him the dance so I know what pick be a day account na BBI fine. Comment section or baby nya no dia to ho na me so to me ehun. And then no you ba you see CPA no CPA agent how much cost per action. Inti onye ade kese bia say what the link bi ma obi na say nipa no emia link na say or register na say or sign it up and also providing an email la wo benya sika say wotimi etu sa na money nti eno ho adwuma na e ba be ye nti no ne be ye no per every registration bia na say per every lead bia no wo benya $2.25 which is ande bia pa nti say wonya $2 kra sa be 20 kra na wo eni mu afan de be ye no so no enya de bia eye den say wontimi nye even akwa no ebetimi idea hia ne say wo be steady say wo be video na kwesi ewie na wo ye no pepe say o skip bibi abesan so akwachi na akwesua ne yem nti CPA marketing no ene no ye be you see e de generate sasika we say e de egu ye kotokom. All right, nti de obe nyina ne say obeko offervote.com and as cpalead.com cpalead.com and as offervote.com na was sign up for a free account. Sketchy bi any honomo. Was sign up na so login in via afi na e was say wo hwehwe product bia na wo no obe promote services a hodo bebre e na honom but the ne no make am for the amount say obe go into the PayPal gift card into bit me search e wo ho PayPal gift card. Remember we say the example $500 PayPal gift card. Okay, it is so promote our product we are as a service we na for every lead and as a sign up bia no obenya $2.25 and everything kind e na it is what do has you know clicking on run offer no o click also a be direct or they call another page e be kire was sign up. Okay, into no follow process and know to me as sign up na when your affiliate link and I say what referral link, you know. All right, it is on your link in the another website I make one some the actual BM right.li rightly. Okay, into the website no any hands no over clicking on sign up and on or the signing up for free account. One number send the code be authentication code that is a way say akọ email address him to so pick and now they are showing now with me sign it up successfully. Okay, or sign it up we are saying I'll be home dashboard no now we're clicking on create new ad and so and say I have say no what did be be show madam answer na you be clicking on create new ad no ma me enter wa there Google into Google ho na e keyword out to say for better search to say be how to make money online in 2023. Na afi wafa articles na emu baako articles na Google be provide na we be articles ni mu baako. Okay, inti yenko writer hobby na me sure say be ad name ni how to make money online, how to make money online in 2023 na we me ad ne so I was say I say yeah. I know you see the evil aspect of this strategy. What you making money online? Instead of say over top, left, right, you know, if I try for evil pop-up no evil pop-up and some pop-up ya better ha say say nipa kono person reading an article na you could be on or call website ni so a obinya sa pop-up no okay inti yan setting to some seconds bi as nipa no read the article na sana pop-up na ba inti yan fa ne say 10 seconds de bia na ya say obefa between 10 to 30 seconds okay inti ewo profile name no obetimi afa say ebia congratulations profile URL no what the adena will promote in the link abasha ha say inti no me use we as sad in the link okay good now for description no inti obetimi actually say you've been chosen to participate in $500 free PayPal money okay na waba bottom test no ha no obetimi aka say get access now okay na baby or the profile picture na bro no me profile picture ne so okay before so we call profile picture na mention website we say okay website we need at flaticon.com and as a flaticon.com aha say no benya icons bebre e wa ha nti search for gift na e download the we mu bia gift ni mu ba ko bia no download ma download be da nti ma me NUC dem me download ye no okay you call upload then now the eno na ba be she ho no mo and I say oba logo ne so a obetumi so e de gift no e bia she logo ne ho on person so be jai sa okay enya bad inti say nipa no e read the article na sa pop up we e be ko ne phone ne so or you interested that obe clicking on get access now ne so na otumi akwa sign up or sign up na wenya $2.25 okay yen we inti obe mi down ne so on say website na you ko bie ye no article na you call Google na search how to make money online in 2023 na you fa article ni mo bia you fa say we say na me fa oh article na me fa ni nti say one ka say read it through na say you interested that will be read am obinya value e dey frame na wa fa no okay nti no be copy article no ni URL no okay o copy ni link na wa back to rightly na fe wa paste link no e dey asha ha say na baby actual default no we mi aso na wa fa title now what the year no on some media no how to make money online 2023 no I click so we are no me create link with ad and so good after copy link no baby I go through into afi no yanhwe baby a be promote yen link no na yitime nya nkofo a e be read article na obi a chro na ye share dia mo no na yitime edi enya offer vote for sikana omonde be maye no okay enti no de we share bi ni say obekọ Google back na wa search for forums okay forums yeah forums but the forums now yeah they say how to make money online forums okay and how to make money online forums ni bina e wa say nti with me joining any of the forums na ako posti sa o link na to nti beti aka say if you want to make money online in 2023 we need article one usua ya etumi aboa wa with me making money online in 2023 na what the link e dey ato ho no okay nipa bebre na wo group ni wana say wo forum ni on be hunu click so na omo so tumi akosa website ni so mgu so reading na pop up na ba pop up ne ba obetumi enya nkofo sign up to wo offer na wo promote na so tumi dey nya sika dey free ho afa another website which media ABM Facebook okay into Facebook na search how to make money online na click on groups no wonya groups na join groups ni nyina na one join ni nyina mpa join bebre afei na we bie wa join ewie na we bie group ni mo woko insider na one members na hono din kita ho betunya post say if you want to make money online in 2023 read this article na what the link na dey ato ho no mo nti so bi mi link na so koso a oko read a o pop up na be ba o mi as na so ko sign up na otunya $2.25 all right nti basically no way no be ya wetunya make money online more rate say hit it on the subscription button and what turn on notification bell. Don't forget to like this video. Na bibia o hon so some me ho comment section na say na metimi no wedi nkomo e de efre ho. And na ye dey see what ha say ntia na me share videos na e dey yen enim ni mo back on macro for now.